Jazz, I love coming into the Everyday Gourmet Kitchen cooking with you.
I love when you come into the kitchen.
Thank you. And today I'm going to be whipping up beautiful gluten-free spaghetti with mushroom ragu.
Now, you know how much I love mushrooms, so
Yes.
I am paying attention.
All right, I need you to slice on the mushrooms straight away, please.
Sure.
Nice and finely.
Yep.
I'm chopping up some garlic.
Okay.
Now, the San Remo gluten-free spaghetti takes around 8 to 10 minutes to cook, so we're not getting it into the water straight away.
Okay.
We need to get our onion and garlic into the pan.
And then mushrooms would go in?
Yes, but I'm using lemon thyme, Jazz.
Ah.
I know in French cookery you love your thyme.
Oh, I do love thyme. All those hard herbs, thyme and rosemary, sage.
Ooh, yeah.
It reminds me of my grandmother. She would use it quite a lot because she grew a lot of lemon thyme.
Nice.
And it's very, well, as we say, balmy in flavour as opposed to the classic thyme, isn't it?
Balmy, I like that word. Haven't heard that for a while.
Yeah, balmy, lemony.
Oh, very good. So, just sweat off your onion and garlic. Now, make sure you don't get too much colour on there.
Okay.
Great thing about the gluten-free pasta, Jazz.
Yes.
Obviously being gluten-free for people that are gluten intolerant, but it's dairy-free and nut-free also.
Okay, so everyone can enjoy it.
Everybody, yeah?
Very good.
Pinch of salt to help with our onion and garlic just to get them cooking on their way.
Yep.
Now, you know a lot of people with thyme, all right? They sit there and they pick all those little leaves off. No. Straight on, come on. Straight on.
Stalks and all. Why
Stalks
not?
and all, you know, fresh herbs like this, really just finely chop it up.
I think lemon thyme in general, though, is not as woody, so you can get away with chopping the whole lot.
Yeah, definitely.
It smells good, doesn't it?
Does. Or if you like, you could put it into a food processor, yeah?
Yeah.
But for me, like so, it's good.
Okay. Thinly sliced mushrooms for you, chef.
Thank you very much.
There you go. That's wonderful.
Now-
Love that.
Mushrooms love butter, yeah? But
Yes.
with no butter today, yeah? So a bit more olive oil.
Yes. Yep.
Time for our spaghetti to go into the
Okay.
pasta water.
Yep. I think back in the old days, you'd think gluten-free pastas, they were a bit stodgy, not so good. These days, you can hardly tell the difference.
You know what? I squeeze this one into my kids' diet once a week, yeah?
Yeah.
Bit of gluten-free pasta, no problems. They
Yep.
love it. You know,
Yep.
it just, I don't know, helps digest maybe a little bit easier. but-
Absolutely. And as long as you keep cooking it the traditional way and making sure it's al dente, it is very hard to tell the difference.
Yeah, and also when you're dropping it, obviously a long pasta being spaghetti in this case, when you're
Yes.
dropping it into the pasta water, just softly, yeah?
Yes.
Just softly manoeuvre it through the
Yep.
water so it cooks nice and evenly.
Yep.
And we're not breaking those wonderful pasta strands.
Did you season that with some salt?
Ah, thanks for reminding me, Jazz. I like always my salt in the water. Boom.
Love that.
All right, in with the mushrooms, please.
Okay. And mushrooms are like sponges, so it's good to add a little extra oil.
Okay, so we're going to get our heat up. It's going to take a couple minutes just to obviously allow them to collapse down. Now, this magic powder here is porcini powder, yes? So the dried version, but obviously in powder. This just adds that beautiful, rich depth, that
Ooh, yeah.
earthiness, yeah? So typically with a ragu, you'll be obviously getting this meat into there, frying it off, getting all browning it, and adding in some red wine or white wine.
Yeah.
For me, in this case, no, we're going to add in the porcini, okay? So a
Wow.
good 2 tablespoons. There we go. Little flick.
Yep.
Oh, wow.
It's almost like a mushroom essence, isn't it?
It is,
Porcini
definitely.
Powder. Yeah.
Okay, so just getting that porcini through. Now, to help obviously dissolve the porcini powder, a little bit of pasta water like so.
Okay.
Maybe another half. Yeah, so we're deglazing the pan, exactly like you'll normally do with a ragu.
Yep.
Okay, so we need to reduce by half, Jazz, and then we're going to add in the passata and then wait for our pasta to be ready.
Sounds great.
All right, Jazz, let's check our pasta.
Yeah.
Al dente. Have a quick. Oh, it's ready. That's really good.
Burn your mouth off.
Yeah, no, it's all good. That's what we do as Italians. So, strain off the excess water,
Yep.
straight into the sauce. So the last minute or two of cooking of the pasta,
Yep.
finish it in that sauce.
This is the crucial part of making pasta. It's 1 minute over, then it's overcooked.
Yeah.
So getting it at that right stage will make you a really beautiful pasta every time.
Definitely. All right, let's just move that
All
back
right.
over there.
Yep.
Just gonna just work that through our sauce.
Beautiful.
All right.
Little toss.
Yeah. Look at that. Just coating the pasta. Okay.
You can smell the porcini.
Smell it?
That lemon thyme.
You know, really, no need for meat. Hey,
No.
this is as meaty as it gets without the meat. I can smell the earthiness.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. The spaghetti's beautiful. Good healthy
Parmesan.
serve. Yeah, parmesan. Yes, you know, and a few basil leaves on top.
Yeah. And if you wanted to leave it dairy-free, you could absolutely leave that parmesan off. But you and I love it.
No, Jess. It wouldn't be a pasta dish without, the parmesan. Come on. And a little bit of basil just over the top.
And there you have it, a beautiful pasta made by the pasta king himself, Adam Swanson.